Good morning. In this class, session 1, we talked about who am I. We took an extroversion introversion test, and I learned that I am 68 on the sociability scale. It tells me in the test results, according to your results, you appear to be the type of person who enjoys socializing often, especially with large groups of people. You have an extensive social network and rarely pass up the opportunity to expand it further. Having an active social life appears fairly important to you, so chances are that when the opportunity to go out with the gang arises, you seldom turn it down. First, because I'm open and honest with people, they open up to me, and we can get to know each other on a deeper level. Second, as a recruitment and engagement coordinator at work, I can help people feel comfortable when approaching them about jobs. Third, I am also able to engage with my current employees and gain their trust and provide the support and training they need because they feel comfortable coming to me with anything. Finally, as a father, I can teach, love my wife and children better because I can communicate and build relationships of trust and love without fear of being judged or criticized. I can use my style of communicating to work further in God's kingdom by taking opportunities to share His gospel every chance that I get. In our paper in session 2, we talked about the book Les Miserables. Our text tells us how roles have an influence on our perception. Roles are defined in advance, can become difficult to understand. When the perception of a role becomes unchallenged and unyielding, the world will be seen only from their perspective, and they will have difficulty seeing the world the way others see it. After discussing these points from my previous assignments, I've developed some insight into myself and my relationships. First, I learned to put myself in the shoes of others. Second, I never realized how big my social network really is. After doing the extroversion introversion test, I did take a look at the network of people and I can go to for anything, and it's much larger than I thought. Second, I have really opened myself up to being around people more, and I feel more fulfilled with them in my life. I thought it would be overwhelming, but it is not. Because I have learned these things, I've decided to change the way I interact with people. To make this change, I am going to go into a new interaction or opportunity of meeting someone as a chance to build and nourish a relationship meant for me for a long time rather than in that moment. By doing this, I will grow relationships and grow my network of people that will help me to be a better person in the world today.